Alright guys, this is the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, and as you can see it's already open. My wife, she bought it for my daughter, and it's really pretty badass. So this is what you got inside. You got like this stuff, and then the case is very nice. It's like a heavy duty kind of paper, like a plastic for the case. Let's see, so she just left it on the floor because she was thinking I would do like an unboxing or something. So just let me look at it. So you got this. It's a Christmas gift set. So you got extra tools. My wife has one already. She got it used from a person on Facebook Marketplace, but this one is new. It was 20% off on Dyson, and it's pretty nice. These guys are like quiet, and they dry your hair very fast and makes your hair fluffy. Women really like that, or even guys, some guys. I don't really care. I don't even dry my hair, but you got all these attachments, and let's see. This one, you got. Let's see, for the gift set, you got 1, 2. I shouldn't be putting this on the ground. It's dirty, but you got all these pieces. And let's see, you got the velvet case. It's like velvet inside here, and like a hard plastic, and it feels like very premium. Here goes the booklet. Let's see. Regulatory compliance and safety information. So I don't think this thing comes out, so you could probably put it back inside here. And this is what you got. I'm not sure where the holder is. There should be a holder. I gotta ask my wife where she put it. But that's what you got inside here. For the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. You see that? I've used it a few times, and I think it's pretty nice. So if you guys have, want to get a good gift for your girlfriend or mom or wife, then this is it. And you probably noticed that I put wife at the end because this thing is pretty expensive. Yeah, for your wife, it's gonna be a good gift. They'll really like it, So there you go. Have a nice day. So the box looks like this. So let's put it together. It's very nice box. It says Dyson small letters, and it has a little velvet review on it, on the edge. Very smooth, high quality product. The cord is like super long. You could like reach across a whole room with this cord. So yeah, it's like super premium. Got super long cord, and it's very thick and feels like you can handle a lot of abuse. And then you got your lightweight, small, and it feels like very nice on your hands. Hair dryer, the head unit. You got yourself a little fluffer. I never used that before. You got yourself a little curling iron thing. You got yourself a straightener, and you got yourself a aimer. I guess you aim it, And here goes like a something. Let's see. There's like super strong magnets. I can't even get it off with one hand. And this is part of it too. So this is like another device. I'm not sure what it's used for. So that's that. Let me put it in. Ooh, there's my foot. No, it's like some other kind of a hair thing. So let's see, maybe it's in the book. No, I don't see it. Just like regulations. All right. Somebody, if you know what this is for, let me know, because that's new to me and it doesn't seem very obvious. All right, thank you.